This is a ThyssenKrupp lift building at Lisburn.
Going down.
I'll go down the ground.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Capacity in this is 800 kilograms and 10 persons.
Going down. Ground.
Your
floor.
ground.
Doors
Yep, that's not what I do. Where's free? There it is. Couldn't find the free button there.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
This is a pretty old ThyssenKrupp as well. Seems like. The other one's broken. Yeah.
Floor 3.
We are at 3.
Doors open.
I'll land the back off the ground.
Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors.
I do, yeah.
Where else do we see a lift had this in it?
Going down.
I can't really remember.
Is it a sleep on it?
Could have been. I know Lisburn train station had a similar ceiling, I think like that, yeah.
Nice indicator.
It is a nice indicator. And you're back down.
You should get Nathan Andrews to shout out.
Oh yeah. Well, thank you for shouting me out, Nathan.
Doors open.
Yeah, this one here is broken.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
And there it goes. And that will be it.